And I wanted everybody to, oh, they're not here. Our organization knows a lot about Jay and how much they've raised for us, and I wanted everybody to know that they do a Christmas concert for us every year, and they have raised over $125,000 for our organization. And they were sitting right there. Where are they? Did they go home? They're in the bathroom. Okay, so when they walk out of the bathroom, I'm going to have everybody clapping for them coming in, okay? And by the way, HPS Network Puerto Rico is here, and we're very grateful that they come up all the time. There they are, everybody clap. That's Jay there. They're clapping for you. She's clapping, not knowing why everybody's clapping. And we were talking about the Christmas concert, so thank you. Joanne and John weren't able to make it. John just had a baby, and Joanne is busy. Had a little illness at home, but we're really grateful for your help.